Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can generate auto captions in KineMaster using an awesome trick. So if you're tired of manually typing out every word of your video, stop wasting time. You can just watch as I created the auto captions using this feature in KineMaster. Now let's just get started. First, you can just open your projects in KineMaster. And then you can click on the video here on a timeline. Scroll down until you find the auto caption menu, this one in here. Click on that. And if the language is not plugged in yet, you need to add it first. But if already added, so you can just click on generate. Now KineMaster will generating the caption for you. You can just wait until it is done because it may take some time. It depends on your connection and also the durations of the video itself. Okay, so it will be done in seconds. So it's already done, and here is the caption. You can just click on the play button to see the captions on the video. And if you want to modify it, you can just click on the captions in here. You can add animations, change the font, and even change the color like this, or do some blending. So guys, that's how you can generate auto captions in KineMaster. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.